Congratulations, you got into law school. Where do we go next? After getting your acceptance letters, it can be kind of a daunting task to decide where you want to go to law school. So for me, the most important things that I looked at was, is this school a UBE school or a non-UBE school? Meaning, where's the school located? So is it in a UBE state or a non-UBE state? And do they teach to the UBE or to their state material? So for me, I decided not to go to school in Louisiana, even though I applied, because they taught everything to the Louisiana bar because they anticipated that most of their students would be staying and practicing in Louisiana. There are a number of states that have started accepting the UBE, so that opens your options up a little bit more. If you want to practice in a UBE state, the other thing that you need to know, probably before deciding where you want to go to law school, is the score you'll need for the UBE. So in Texas, it's a 270. In other states, it ranges from a 260 all the way up to, I believe Alaska is a 280. So you have to know, if I want to practice in New York and New Jersey, then you're gonna need X score. If you wanna practice in Texas and Colorado, you're going to need X score. Knowing that before you go to law school can help you prepare 3 years down the road when you're getting ready to study for the bar. You already know ahead of time what you need and how you can transfer your score if you do decide to go to a school out of state. The second big thing I think that new law school students should consider is the cost of living and scholarships. Law school is expensive, and I do not recommend working during your first year of law school. If it works out for you, great. But you really, really want to focus in on your courses because a lot of your internships and future applications for your 1L summer are going to be based off of your 1L grades. So sometimes it's a learning curve. Some people get it naturally, but law school is very different from undergrad, and you want to be able to put your time and focus in. So thinking about the cost of living and the scholarships that you might receive is really important. Also note, you can always negotiate your scholarships. You're going into law school. They expect people to negotiate with them. They're not going to judge you for it. Oftentimes there will be a form or something of that sort that you can fill out and submit to the university to essentially leverage your other offers against the place that you want to go. This is another time that you can reach out to the admissions office of the place that you want to go to really have a deeper discussion or to find out more information about negotiating your scholarship. Law schools want people that want to be there. So if that means you just need a little bit extra money every year, then a lot of times they're going to be more than willing to work with you on that. Once you have gone through the process of picking out where you want to go and seeing if you can get higher scholarships, is to really understand how much money you're going to have to spend on applying to the bar in the state that you want to work in. Now, this is something that I had no idea about when I went to law school. In Texas, you have essentially what is character and fitness that you have to go through. However, that starts essentially the first month that you're in law school. So we had to get our fingerprints done. We had to apply for our character and fitness with the Texas bar. We had to fill out applications and have all of this information turned over. Some of those costs added up. Applying to law school is expensive. Getting into law school is expensive because you have to put down your deposit, but also think ahead and save up for those character and fitness fees that you're going to have to pay. Essentially, no matter where you're going to school, you're going to have to pay some sort of fee to be able to continue in law school and eventually sit for the bar. All in all, make sure you know where you want to go and know where you want to practice. Even if you don't know what area of law you want to go into, having an idea of where you want to practice will give you a better edge moving into the bar later on. Next, think of your cost of living. Try to negotiate a better scholarship. And finally, research the character and fitness fees. It'll give you a little bit of an edge when you go into law school so that you're not scrambling to try to pay all of these fees. And good luck. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, put them down below, or you can visit us on the web at versestexas.com. Thanks!